Hello, hi. So today we're going to go over really the quick trick of this body, the anti-body tuck thingy for the front wheel. So on all the Xray car, the 2021 car, they have a similar piece with the carbon fiber and basically do the exact same thing. But today I saw many customers, they basically doing it wrong or installing it wrong. So technically what is wrong is, first you need to grab the body. You need to make sure your body is perfectly aligned with a decent amount of flow, like this. You can go up and down freely, no problem. Like this. You can go up and down freely. Okay? Because the main reason of this anti-body thingy is when you press the downforce press on the car, you can see that the body technically not go any lower. It's actually the suspension and the post go lower. So this post is no longer allow you to do the super tight clip like how I did it just now. A lot of people want to keep the body down like this because they don't want the body to move, but with this system you can't do this, because when you, as soon as you do this, you see it basically your body become part of the suspension, and basically you stiffen up the whole suspension. So technically your front suspension is no longer working anymore. So the right way to do it with this system is you need to leave 1 or 2 holes up so that you can have more play, more movement, so that when the suspension is moving, it doesn't interfere exactly with the body. It's basically free flow. Okay? So this is a very important thing. So with the XQ2s, this is an option that come inside the kit. You can, for beginner, maybe they do not have the body mounted perfectly, you don't need to have the system. But if you do have the system, you must do it this way, where the body clip have a little bit more space so that it flows. Okay? This is a super important tip, and you guys better pay attention.